So I've implemented a simple garage system, the servo motor and a push button, and I've implemented on all three different controllers, and it's powered off this 5-volt power bank. I first implemented on the Arduino Uno. I haven't used any libraries in it. Then I implemented on the STM32 F407 Discovery board. This is a ARM Cortex based board, the M4, and this is the Altera Cyclone II. This is a FPGA, and I've programmed it using Verilog. So now the system is being run off the FPGA. I push the push button. So now it's being run off the STM32. And now finally we are running off the Arduino Uno. Again, I haven't used any libraries to implement the code.